is about shoe gadget for blind. This is our team. She is Gayatri. This is Yashwant Reddy. This is Gohita. This is Vamshi Preetham. And this project is guided by Leela Mahendra sir. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is a 4-module whose pin names are VCC, trigger, echo and ground respectively. The sensor is a very popular sensor used in many applications where measuring distance or sensing objects are required. The module has 2 eyes-like projects in the front which from the ultrasonic transmitter and receiver. The ultrasonic transmitter transmits an ultrasonic wave. This wave travels in air and when it gets objected by any material, it gets reflected back towards the sensor. This reflected wave is observed by ultrasonic received module. An audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical or piezoelectric. Typical uses of buzzers and beepers include alarm devices, timers and confirmation of user input such as mouse click or keystroke. While technology advancements has caused buzzers to be impractical and undesirable, there are still instances in which buzzers and similar circuits may be used. Present-day applications include novelty users, judging panels, educational purposes, annotator panels, electronic metronomes. Vibration motor is used for haptic feedbacks. In this project, we use Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is a small, complete and breadboard-friendly board based on Atmega 328. It has more or less the same functionality of the Arduino, but in different package. It lacks only a DC power jack and works in a mini B USB cable instead of a standard one. It comes with exactly the same functionality as in Arduino Uno, but quite in same small size.
Here in this project we are using an ultrasonic sensor which works on the principle of BAT principle, where the sound waves get transmitted and they get reflected back when they hit an object, and based on the time travel of the sound waves we can detect the distance between the objects nearer to us, and this by this principle we are helping the blind people to achieve goals in their lives. And also we are using vibration motor and buzzer to give the haptic feedbacks and sound feedbacks to them. And also we are using an Arduino Nano which is a microcontroller. Set up a code to it and which detects the objects when the objects are at a distance of 2 feet away from the people. Now we can see the working of the this shoe gadget for blind. If we place an object near the shoe, the buzzer gets automatically activated. When any obstacle is detected by the sensor, then automatically based on the code we have written, the buzzer automatically activates. Noise pollution around the areas where the blind people are walking, then the vibration motor gives the haptic feedbacks to the legs, so that they can identify that some obstacle is in front of them, so that can help the blind people to slow down and find it out and move on.
Scope of this project is, this shoe is designed for the blind people who are in developing countries. The shoe is made cost effective and user friendly. This shoe will help for all kinds of blind people. People with lower vision can use this shoe, which will be most helpful. More features can be added to the shoe to make it work in most effective way. Some of the future advantages are currency recognition, text recognition and object recognition around the people. This can also be developed for directions from one place to another place using Google Maps and voice recognition. Thank you.